Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making vanilla sea salt chocolate chip cookies. And these cookies are reminiscent of Chips Ahoy but made with so much better ingredients, so you're in for a treat. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Add 113 grams of softened butter, 170 grams of light brown sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. Add in a 1/4 cup of milk, 255 grams of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and salt. Mix together until a cookie dough forms. Last, add in 198 grams of mini dark chocolate chips and mix the combined into the cookie dough. Using your hands, form the dough into 12 cookie dough balls and flatten them slightly so they're about 2 inches in diameter. Place them on 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets, spacing evenly apart. You'll have 6 cookies per sheet. If you want to add some extra mini chocolate chips on top, you can do that now. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. The best thing about eggless cookies is you can underbake them if you like really soft and gooey cookies without worry. When the cookies come out of the oven, I like to round them out with a cookie cutter for perfectly round cookies. And then I sprinkle them with vanilla sea salt, which is the secret ingredient in this recipe. I'll link the recipe for vanilla sea salt in the description so you can make sure to make this ahead of time as well. I hope you enjoyed these nostalgic cookies that remind me of Chips Ahoy, but so much better. If you want more organic cookie recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.